New kit, who dis? Most of you know me for this car, my 1990 Nissan 240SX. And I personally still think the S13 hatch is the best car ever created. I really miss driving S13s, whether it be this one or the other SR20 hatch that I have. Unfortunately, the SR hatch has never run correctly. It's got kind of an interesting story behind it, but needless to say, I've put less than 5,000 miles on it in the past few years. While we may not be building this 240 at this time, we will be back to building S13s. These two cars go way back, like 7 or 8 years now, which is kind of crazy to think. All the way back to when they were both pig nose at the same time. Well, let's start off today with switching the kit entirely on the SR hatch. As that car sits now, it has an identical kit to my S13.
I have no idea how much I want to kill myself for this.
Hey, it's going to a good home.
I know, I hope so.
This your Miata?
Yeah.
I haven't seen this car yet.
Yeah, I traded one of my other vehicles for it.
Nice.
Yeah, got rid of all the 240s, got this thing, got rid of the 4Runner and whatnot.
Damn, it's a little more beat than I remember. Damn.
Yeah, I know.
So this is my homie Tony, and I have been wanting to buy this kit off of him for years. It's an original 2000s C West.
I even have the matching fenders for it too.
Really?
They're OEM fenders that are fiberglass, but they fit better than any metal fender I've ever had. For an 01 body kit,
Yeah.
I'd say it's pretty intact for 01.
No, for 01 it's great. I mean, it's all there, you know?
And when I repaired it, I even stopped in the middle of the street just to get this bottom piece here. Well, this piece is gone, but the pieces that are here,
Yeah.
you know, I stopped in the middle of the road just to get them, just so I can keep it as original as possible.
Right.
And I didn't even end up cutting it how I wanted to for the intercooler. I mean, yeah, it's definitely beat, but you remember my car. My car was literally like a quarter off the ground, not even.
Fitment was perfect.
Yeah, and that was on 15s, and this thing, yeah, you couldn't even stand a nickel up underneath it.
Yeah.
But, I mean, the main factor is that guy right there.
Oh yeah, that's where the value's at.
This is the only one that's, I don't know. My buddy just gave it to me because it was the C West style.
That's cool.
This is actually like first gen. Yeah, this is first gen.
Damn.
So this is even older than this.
Wow. Damn, Fallens too? Represent?
Always, dude. I
Yep.
got all of them. Hell yeah.
Is this Chad's bumper?
Yes. That's what I'm glassing back together right now.
They're gonna fix this?
Yeah.
Damn.
Pull it out.
That's gonna be crazy. 326 S14 Zenki front. Damn.
Yeah, he thrashed it pretty good.
Are these the fender extension things?
The what?
Fender extensions, or what is this?
I put those out there just because I thought you would see those too.
Did you really?
Yeah, those are the super made fender extensions.
That's sick.
They are fitted for an S13. I have this, yeah, this corner here is fitted up to 1/8 of an inch to the door.
So are these universal, or are they for S13?
They're universal,
Ah.
but I shaved them down to fit the doors.
What do you want for these things?
That one's an iffy one.
The gears are turning. And oh man, C West, baby. Locked and loaded. Thank you, brother.
Hey, no problem. It's crazy to think that I was the first one to have these and that Origin wing in the United States.
Damn, what year?
Wow. Whenever the Origin Type 3 wing came out, and it was on that that camo hatch.
Oh, really?
I had it within less than 3 months.
Damn.
And then I think these were even on that car too, or something like that. I don't know. I saw them online, but
Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering, what did we pay for some 20 or 30-year-old fiberglass? For all this stuff, Supermade, C West, we're in 16 hundo. Which I think is a steal considering how rare this kit is. You cannot buy this kit new. It's been discontinued for probably 10 years plus at this point. Peyton and I have the work cut out for us this year. hopefully we can finish the Integra soon so we can get cranking on this thing. I wanted to switch up the kit on the SR hatch because it's the exact same as my RB hatch. So I didn't want to have two of the same cars, especially if I have the opportunity to make something unique. Shout out to Tony for letting go of the kit. He really did not want to let it go, but it's off to a good home. What do you think? Ready to rock? Scuff and shoot?
Yeah, scuff and shoot. That's sick.
Right?
Is that only for one?
Yeah, you would only want to put it on the intake side for it to make the most sense.
That's sick. C West?
Yeah.
Is that your new go-to?
I mean, it's just early 2000s styling. C West, Bomex, Wings West. Kits that have aged well. Oh my gosh. You know, I was fully waiting on trying this kit up until we got the engine running, but I couldn't wait. It can barely pull out of the spot. This thing sucks. Just a little reference for you guys. We have a Koki front end on it with a Koki lip, otherwise known as Type X, all OEM, except the lip is fiberglass. Side skirts are Chuki, which is midterm. It's an OEM rep made by Dorky Dory. The rear is G-Grow. This is the valance off of my S13, and it took the wing off. I already lost the side skirt. It looks so stock again. No hardware. Damn, that's cool. It's kind of hard to see the detail because it's a dark color, but that is rad. Love the vents. Very 2000s-esque. It's very different.
It's different. That's what you wanted.
That's what I wanted, something different. New kit, who dis? Oh, it's hitting it just a wee bit.
And over here, it's on your couplers.
Man, that bumper is roached.
Kind of gives me FD vibes.
Does it?
Like they have those style bumpers on FD.
True. All right, let me get the skirt on here. Okay. No mounting at all.
Okay. No wing, kind of sick.
I agree. I'm a wing guy, but that does rock. What do we think? Is this 2000s or is this good 2000s? I love the vent swoops. It's like a mirror. Swoops this way, swoops that way, swoops this way. It's just all, you know, all the airflow we need in the skirt here.
This ain't your scooter. This has my name on it.
We're in a custody battle for my scooter.
Oh, hey guys. You guys, look here. Whose name is on the scooter?
Are you kidding me?
Whose name is on
Are you serious right now? Give me my scooter, bro. You do not.
That's her childhood scooter, by the way. Hilarious. But anyways, back to cars. Yeah, it's cool, I guess. I rock with it. I need an obnoxious wing. Definitely can't have a Type X wing on this. Something ridiculous to really set it off. And an exhaust. Let's not forget about that. Still got the stock.
He rode on my scooter. That was my childhood scooter.
No way.
I've been sanding for the past couple days now. We got the hood all down to bare metal. Been doing that today. Got the doors all done on body work. Got a couple possible little spots to put a little skim coat on. But overall, we're looking good. This side's looking good. I'm gonna go over to the next side on the other side and start on that. So let's get to it.
What's going on?
We got our boy! What do we got here?
We got a little bit of a gift for the man right here. We got the goods.
Oh my god. Holy
we got
cow.
the specialty for the man himself, putting in all the hard work. Alright? You gotta give credit where credit is due, right? So, it's for the treat right here.
Oh my god.
Happy birthday, my man.
Thank you. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. I wasn't sure if anybody stopped by the fort, so I was just like,
Just me.
yeah.
Just me.
Well. You cranked out on this thing.
I've been cranking hogs.
Is this the parking spot?
Yeah. So technically I got this right here. You see, Facebook's been saying hail, tornadoes. So I got this garage nice and spaced out to where when I see black, and I got enough room to still work on my car.
Oh, no way.
100%. A car can get dusty, I don't care.
Yeah.
A car can get dusty all she wants. Hail?
Hell no.
Hell no.
Hell no.
So yeah, basically got all the body work done on the whole car.
Damn, son.
Got basically a couple of little spots to go. Skim coat here, skim coat here. I've been waiting on some glass guy to come pull glass so I can, get all this down to bare metal. And
Yeah.
this thing can be primed. Lickety split.
Lickety splittity. Yeah, still waiting to hear back from Cisco.
We're test fitting a couple little
doodads.
little doodads Mike has. I'm thinking she's gonna look pretty sweet.
Damn, we got the old shop cart now.
Yeah, we got all our handy dandy sandpapers. If there is more shelving in the back, I would like that because I would like to, be able to pull out some more stuff. But overall, this is a nice little trinket that I made. We got our lighting, so if you look here.
Please stop sneezing while I'm filming.
Yeah, come on. If you see here, we'll spray this down. And then you can basically see the reflection of the car.
Sheesh. Yeah, that's good.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see it. You killed it. The door was, I think, the worst, wasn't it?
The door was pretty hectic, She's still got a little bit of sanding to do, but I think one more sand job and she is good to go.
Hell yeah.
Which ones are we using? The 3D printed ones? These?
It's doing both.
Doing both? Like one 3D printed and one plastic?
Yeah. I think that's fiberglass.
This is fiber. That one's 3D printed, the one in there.
Oh, yeah.
For a while he was driving. This thing fucking
Cisco, the main man.
What up?
I'm sorry to make you do another S13 hatch quarter glass.
I like doing this.
You like doing this? Aren't these the hardest glasses to do though?
They are, but I like the challenge all the time.
I like the challenge. I love to hear it. Yeah, saving the seals is the main struggle, I think, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna get there.
Hardest part.
right inside.
Yeah? Did it survive?
Yeah. I just gotta glue it on once we're ready to put it on.
Cool, cool. Hell yeah, good stuff, man.
So if you see that it's really close to the body,
Yeah.
maybe a raw part of the paint.
See, and people would put that back on, and then it'd rust, right?
Yeah, no, that's why you gotta put primer all the time. Just to prevent the
Well,
rust.
I'll grind all this out and then.
Okay.
So, can you do it on top of paint?
You could, and once you're ready, you use a scraper so that way I can remove the excess glue. The urethane, you clean it up, you gotta scuff it again and put primer on it. But if you left the old urethane, the new urethane just adds attached to the
sticks to.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Same thing with the windshield. Clean it up. Just leave the glue, and then I just trim it with the scraper, and then we'll be good to go.
Hell yeah. 2 glassless S13 hatches. Factory glass. It's crazy how much dirt and debris is just hiding in between the glass seams. Looks like some rust was starting. For all your glass needs, hit up Cisco. Here's his info. He's the plug. He's done all my glass. Shush. There's an event coming up called Fuel Fest. It's the first time Fuel Fest will be entering Chicago. Well, technically it's Bridgeview, but I will be there July 18th if you guys want to go. I'll leave a link below for you guys to get the event details. I think you get $5 off with that link too. I'm also trying to host a smokes meet or a smokes bash. We want to do it at GLD, kind of like we did last year, but unfortunately GLD is no longer a thing. So we might just do a smokes meet. I'm still trying to plan a date for that. Probably late July, early August. And Tyler, if you're watching this video, please come by. Tyler is the drummer that we met from across the street. He only came over to the house probably once or twice, and we never got his number, and he moved out of the storage unit, so we have no way of contacting him. So if you're watching this, bro, please come by. We want to hang out with you. And maybe we can have a little jam sesh or something. Trixie sings and Armin plays guitar, you play drums. That kind of looks like a band in my eyes. And I somehow made it another year around the sun, or whatever they call it. So yeah, life goes by really quick. You just gotta enjoy those small moments with friends. But thanks for sticking around for yet another video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
I don't know. Does he approve of this?
I don't know.
I don't know.
We'll have to see.
We'll find out.
So what do you think?